We've got Timber. Timber the king. Fighter pilot of the universe. Oh, she's so beautiful. Come on, baby girl. She's like, your car's gone, Mom. My car's gone, look. Oh my gosh. See? You can see the dirt marks from where it normally is. It's at the garage. It's at the service center at the Toyota dealership. Happy Critter Mealtime. Monday, 15 January 2024. I'm Tanis Coralee Leonhardi. This is my YouTube channel, Tanis Leonhardi, and this is Critter Mealtime Dinner. And, hi baby! This is actually not a tangent. It's related to Critter Mealtime. My inspection showed, so the electrical system is off and there's wiring that needs replacing, and they found on the inspection report, they said there was rodent damage to a wire harness. Now, a few years ago, when I started getting familiar with these critters, the chipmunks used to like to crawl into my car by the tires. So Dad was like, well, maybe it was feeding all the critters and stuff, and I was like, but there's no critters by my cars, or like crawling in my car. But the chipmunks actually used to do that. So I wonder if, they used to chew on it when they went in it, the chipmunks, and so the damage just started showing up. And I think if that's true, I think a lemur king, a very particular lemur king, my lemur king, might have had saw those little chipmunks' dreams come true. Sounds very Alvin and the Chipmunks, doesn't it? It puts it into perspective. Oh yeah, they're mischievous little critters. And come on, you guys. I call these, so they're the big friendly giants of the backyard. They didn't ever do stuff like that, to my car anyway. And the red squirrels are the ones that chased all the other rodents. So, from my experience and observations of my own vehicle, it might have been the chipmunks. However, that damage was a bit ago. And it doesn't, also the temperament of the chipmunks. We might not be able to fell a maple tree, but we can fell a Toyota Corolla. Don't worry, Mom, we got you. The dragon Corolla will not take you down. We'll take it down for you. Something like that. But that's my best guess for the rodent damage, is that it was the chipmunks. Plus a particular lemur king. That's right. Come on. Come on. Because these guys don't go in my car. But the chipmunks sure used to like to. It was kind of, I think my mom said something about it. And a number of the neighbors have said they've had problems with raccoons chewing in the cables in their car and stuff like that. So I don't know, when they say rodent damage, they don't specify, the size of the teeth marks or the claw marks. So I would guess not raccoon, but I also don't know, right? Because there have been a number of the neighbors that have had raccoons damage their vehicle. So that would be the possibly chipmunks or raccoons would be since it's my vehicle, based on my observations and then reports of vehicles around and houses around us. Those are the two. And Dad had mentioned there had been an uptick in raccoon activity as well. Per my own observation of my vehicle, I would go chipmunks of the past and a particular lemur king as a present. A present, and then maybe he meant it as a present. Alright? Is it like Alvin and the Chipmunks have the Christmas stuff? Maybe it was like a Christmas present from the lemur king into the chipmunks. The chipmunks took down a Toyota Corolla. Add it to the list of the things that those tiny little rodents can do. Yeah. Come on, you guys! Come on, beautifuls! Ooh, golden crown sparrow. Where'd you go? Here we got I have rufous-sided towhee. Another one. Dark-eyed junco. Hi, hon. You're a cutie. Yes, but it's in the shop, and the quoted estimate was $1,366 and some cents. And I had a coupon for if service was $1,000 or more for $350 off. So this will not only be taking a chunk, the remaining retirement account funds I withdrew, it will be digging deep into my Christmas stuff. Christmas money. Yeah. That's pricey. That might actually be the biggest single ticket item on my car since I got it. For real. There was like $1,000 I think brakes or tires or something at some point. I think when I was living in California. So this takes that by a few $100s. All right, you guys, dinner's up. Ding, 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 ding. I do have to say, thank goodness I did not spend all of my retirement money. Oh, and they didn't actually, so it needs an oil change, and I didn't sound like they were gonna do the oil change. So I need to, tomorrow, they scheduled for tomorrow for me to, they had to order parts, and the kit should be there by 10 a.m. tomorrow. So then they'll give me a call when it's done. And they've worked on it and they finished it. And then, so when I go in, I'm gonna see if I can schedule an oil change, because I also have a coupon for that. So, but dang, thank goodness. I get these emails every once in a while, and I was like, it was like 350, save up to $350, and I was like, that's a lot. I should just save the email, and I did. And I'm like, that's $350 real dollars. That if I had deleted that email. Like, I am so happy I did not delete that email. Okay, anyway, it's kind of quiet. Happy critter mealtime. Happy day and time of viewing whenever you're viewing this. Happy place of viewing this wherever you're viewing this from. Happy car update as a car essential. I should put that in the video description. I recap what's going on with my vehicle, including possible chipmunk and or raccoon damage. Anyway, take care.